Ever hit a roadblock in your weight loss journey and wonder why you're not seeing results? It's a question that echoes in the minds of many, a silent whisper of frustration that can feel like a shout. Today we're talking about weight loss plateaus, a common struggle that can feel like a steep mountain to climb. Imagine putting in all your effort, following your diet to the T, sweating it out in the gym, but the numbers on the scale just refuse to budge. It's a feeling of being stuck, where despite your best efforts, your progress seems to have hit a standstill. It's like running a marathon with the finish line constantly moving further away. This is a weight loss plateau, a phase that many fitness enthusiasts and dieters encounter on their journey towards a healthier lifestyle. It's a frustrating and confusing state of affairs, where the methods that once worked seem to have lost their magic. But why does this happen? Is it your body's way of telling you something? Or is it just a temporary pause in your weight loss journey? The answer is a little bit of both. Weight loss plateaus happen because our bodies are incredibly adaptive. When you start losing weight, your body goes into what can be thought of as a survival mode. It starts using energy more efficiently, and as a result, the same workout and diet that once helped you lose weight now maintains it. It's a natural process, but it can be incredibly demotivating. It's essential to understand that weight loss is not a linear process. It has its ups and downs, peaks and valleys. And a plateau is just a flat stretch in this hilly terrain. It can feel like an insurmountable hurdle, but remember, it's a part of the journey, not the end of it. So, if you're feeling stuck, frustrated and wondering why you're not seeing the results you want, remember that you're not alone. Many have faced this challenge and many have overcome it. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of weight loss plateaus, explore why they occur, and most importantly, how to break through them. You're not alone in this struggle, so let's dive into understanding why these plateaus occur. First, it's important to understand what we mean when we say weight loss plateau. Imagine that you've been diligently following your diet and exercise plan, shedding pounds and feeling great. Suddenly, the scale refuses to budge. Despite your best efforts, your weight remains stubbornly static. This, my friends, is what we call a weight loss plateau. It's the point in your weight loss journey where, despite all your efforts, weight loss seems to have hit the brakes. It's like you've hit a wall and your body is refusing to let go of those last few pounds. It's a common occurrence and it can be incredibly frustrating. You're doing everything right, but the scale simply isn't responding. A weight loss plateau typically occurs when your body's metabolism adjusts to your new, lower body weight. You see, as you lose weight, your body needs fewer calories to function. This means that the calorie deficit you've created through dieting and exercise becomes less effective over time. It's also worth noting that a weight loss plateau doesn't mean that your efforts are wasted. Quite the opposite, in fact. It's a sign that you've made significant progress in your weight loss journey. You've lost enough weight that your body's energy needs have changed. That's no small feat. But here's the catch. Weight loss isn't just about the numbers on the scale, it's also about changes in body composition. Even if the scale isn't moving, you could still be losing fat and gaining muscle. So while it might seem like you've hit a roadblock, remember that changes are still happening beneath the surface. In the end, weight loss plateaus are a natural part of the weight loss journey. They're not a sign that you've failed, but rather a signal that it's time to reassess and adjust your strategy. And remember, every journey has its ups and downs. It's all about perseverance and finding the right balance that works for you. Now that we've defined what a plateau is, we can look at why they happen. Why does weight loss sometimes seem to hit a wall, despite your best efforts? This question likely rings a bell if you've ever embarked on a weight loss journey. The answer lies in understanding the physiological reasons behind these frustrating plateaus. To start with, let's tackle the concept of metabolism. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. When you begin to lose weight, your body's metabolism naturally slows down. This is because a smaller body mass requires fewer calories to function. So, as you lose weight, your body adjusts by burning fewer calories, making it more challenging to maintain the same rate of weight loss. This brings us to the second factor, the body's adaptation to decreased caloric intake. When you first cut calories, your body responds by shedding weight. but over time it becomes more efficient at surviving on fewer calories. It's like your body is saying, oh, we're not getting as much food as before, no problem, I can work with that. And so it adjusts its energy usage accordingly. This survival mechanism, while amazing from an evolutionary standpoint, can be quite a hindrance to your weight loss goals. Another contributing factor is that as you lose weight, you lose some muscle along with fat. Muscle helps keep your metabolism up, so losing muscle can also slow down your metabolic rate. This is why incorporating strength training into your workout routine is crucial for maintaining your metabolism as you lose weight. Finally, let's not forget about the role of hormones. Hormones like ghrelin, leptin and insulin play a significant part in regulating your appetite and fat storage. Changes in these hormones due to weight loss can increase your hunger and make it harder for you to continue losing weight, so there you have it. Weight loss plateaus occur because your body is an adaptable, survival-oriented machine that adjusts to changes in diet and exercise. It's a complex interplay of metabolism, caloric intake, muscle mass and hormones. Understanding these physiological changes is the first step towards overcoming a plateau. Health and fitness experts have several strategies to help break through these frustrating plateaus. One of the first things they recommend is to reassess and, if necessary, mix up your exercise routine. If you've been doing the same workout for the past 6 months, your body has likely adapted to the routine and is no longer being challenged in the same way. Try incorporating different types of exercises, like swapping a day of cardio for strength training or vice versa. Even small changes, like increasing the intensity or duration of your workouts, can help kickstart your progress again. Re-evaluating your caloric intake is another crucial step. It's easy to underestimate the amount of calories we consume daily, and even a slight surplus can stall weight loss. Try keeping a food journal for a week or two, recording everything you eat and drink. You might be surprised to find hidden calories sneaking into your diet. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but eating smarter. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods that will keep you feeling full and energized. And let's not forget other health factors that could be playing a role in your plateau. Stress, lack of sleep, and hormonal imbalances can all affect your body's ability to lose weight. If you've hit a plateau, it might be worth taking a holistic look at your lifestyle. Are you getting enough sleep? How are your stress levels? Are there any underlying health issues that need to be addressed? Don't hesitate to seek professional help if necessary. Remember, plateaus are a normal part of any weight loss journey. They're not a sign of failure, but a signal that it's time to reassess and adjust your strategy. It's all about finding what works best for you and your body. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, and what worked for someone else might not work for you. But with patience, persistence, and the right approach, you can overcome these hurdles. Armed with these expert strategies, you can effectively navigate through a weight loss plateau. Even with the right strategies, staying motivated during a plateau can be tough. It's like being stuck in a never-ending cycle, where you're putting in all the effort, but the scales just don't seem to budge. But don't let this discourage you. Maintaining your motivation during this challenging phase is crucial, and here's why. Firstly, motivation is the driving force that keeps you going, even when the going gets tough. It's the fuel that powers your weight loss journey, pushing you to stick with your diet and exercise regimen, even when you don't see immediate results. And it's especially important during a plateau where it's all too easy to lose heart and throw in the towel. So, how do you keep that spark alive? One great way is to set new goals. Maybe you've been focusing solely on the number on the scale. Now might be the perfect time to shift your attention to other areas, like improving your fitness level or increasing the number of steps you take every day. These goals can provide a fresh sense of purpose and help you stay engaged with your weight loss journey. Seeking support is another excellent strategy. Whether it's from a personal trainer, a dietitian, or a supportive community of fellow weight loss warriors, having people who understand your struggles and cheer you on can be a tremendous source of motivation. So don't hesitate to reach out and connect with others. Finally, celebrate your non-scale victories. Maybe you've dropped a dress size, or you can now run a mile without getting winded. These are significant achievements and deserve to be celebrated. They remind you of how far you've come and motivate you to keep going. So, when you find yourself in a weight loss plateau, don't lose hope. Stay motivated, set new goals, seek support, and celebrate every victory, scale-related or not. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Let's not forget the crucial role nutrition plays in overcoming a weight loss plateau. It can be easy to focus solely on exercise, but what we fuel our bodies with is just as important, if not more so, when it comes to breaking through that stubborn plateau. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of any successful weight loss journey. It's all about quality over quantity. Think brightly coloured fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains and healthy fats. These foods are not only packed with essential vitamins and minerals, but they also keep you feeling satiated longer, preventing unnecessary snacking. Re-evaluating your caloric intake is another key aspect to consider. When you initially lose weight, your body requires fewer calories to maintain its new size. As a result, you may need to adjust your daily caloric intake. This doesn't necessarily mean eating less, but rather eating smarter. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods that offer more bang for your caloric buck. Now, let's talk about macronutrients. These are the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats that make up the bulk of our diets. Each plays a unique role in our bodies, and understanding their impact can help you overcome a weight loss plateau. Carbohydrates are your body's primary energy source. Opt for complex carbs like whole grains and legumes, which provide sustained energy and keep blood sugar levels stable. Proteins are the building blocks of your body. They aid in muscle repair and growth, which is especially important if you're incorporating strength training into your routine. Fats, though often demonized, are essential for hormone production and nutrient absorption. Just be sure to choose healthy fats like avocados, nuts and olive oil. Remember, it's not about depriving your body, but rather nourishing it with the right kinds of foods. With the right nutritional approach, you can give your body the fuel it needs to break through a plateau. Physical activity is another key component in overcoming a weight loss plateau. It's like the spark that reignites the engine of your body, driving the weight loss process forward. Regular physical activity is essential, not just for burning calories, but for a host of other health benefits. It improves cardiovascular health, increases energy levels, and enhances mood. It's like the oil that keeps the machinery of our bodies running smoothly, but sometimes doing the same exercises over and over can make your body too efficient. It gets used to the routine and starts burning fewer calories. That's where changing up your exercise routine comes into play. By introducing new types of exercises, you can challenge different muscle groups and keep your body guessing. It's like changing the route on a road trip. It keeps the journey exciting and the driver, your metabolism, alert. Strength training deserves a special mention here. Often overlooked in weight loss journeys, strength training plays a vital role in increasing metabolism. It builds muscle, and muscle, my friends, is metabolically active. That means the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even when you're not exercising. It's like having a supercharged engine that keeps running, even when the car is parked. And you don't need to become a bodybuilder to reap the benefits of strength training. Just incorporating some weights into your routine, or doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups or squats, can make a significant difference. The best part about physical activity is that there are so many ways to do it. You can dance, swim, cycle, hike, or even just take a brisk walk around your neighborhood. The important thing is to find something you enjoy, so it becomes a part of your lifestyle, not just a chore. By integrating these physical activity strategies, you can reignite your weight loss journey. With a bit of sweat and an open mind to try new exercises, you can break through that plateau and continue towards your health and fitness goals. Overcoming a weight loss plateau may not be easy, but with the right strategies and mindset, it is possible. We've journeyed together, understanding the very nature of these plateaus. We've delved into the physiology behind these frustrating pauses on your weight loss journey. They are not your body's rebellion against your efforts, but rather a survival mechanism. A complex interplay of hormones, metabolism, and the body's innate desire to maintain equilibrium. But remember, you're not powerless against these plateaus. You have the knowledge, the tools, and the resilience to overcome them. We've discussed strategies to break through these plateaus, tweaking your caloric intake, experimenting with your macronutrient ratios, or introducing new and challenging exercises into your routine are all potent strategies. But it's not just about strategy. It's about listening to your body, understanding its signals, and responding in kind. We also explored the paramount importance of staying motivated. A plateau can be a test of wills, a contest between your determination and your body's resistance. But you're not in this alone. Surround yourself with a supportive community, celebrate your non-scale victories, and remember that every step, no matter how small, is a step towards your goal. Nutrition is your ally in this journey. A balanced, nutritious diet fuels your body, supports your workouts, and aids in recovery. It's not about deprivation, but about nourishment and enjoyment. And physical activity, it's not just about burning calories, it's about building strength, enhancing flexibility, improving endurance, and most importantly, it's about investing in your health. In this journey, plateaus are not roadblocks, but stepping stones. They are opportunities to learn, to grow, and to become more in tune with your body. They're a chance to reassess your strategies, to reaffirm your commitment, and to rekindle your motivation. Remember, the journey to health and fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. You're stronger than any plateau. Embrace the journey, cherish the victories, learn from the hurdles, and above all, believe in yourself, because you, yes, you, are capable of incredible things.